Today we remember our mothers on their special day.
And one local family is remembering their mother through music on a special piano. At 21, he was a violin soloist with the Havana Symphony. She was a Juilliard graduate and concert pianist.
Their music brought them together. You know, him playing the violin at the Columbia and her being a concert pianist.
And the music never really went away, even when Caesar and Adela Gonzmart took over her father's restaurant, the Columbia. The 1921 Steinway Adela first played remained here for decades.
So it has a lot of memories. It's played Happy Birthday for probably thousands of people.
But after Caesar and then Adela passed away, her old piano was at the end of its life too. The keys were damaged, it was tarnished, and it was heavily damaged by termites. Steinway said it was beyond repair.
I said, listen, it just doesn't make sense. You could buy a new piano. It's going to cost you more. I said, but a new piano doesn't have the memories. It wasn't played by my mom.
But could Adela's piano be saved?
With my father, he never gives up. So there was not a doubt in my mind that he was not going to do whatever it took to bring it back to what it used to be. There was not a doubt.
The answer came months later. No small task to turn back time. All the parts and pieces of a piano nearly 100 years old. They were amazed.
Oh my gosh, it looks brand new.
It looks like a different piano.
I had tears. It's a dream come true that I didn't think would happen.
When it's tuned, it will sound just as it did so long ago.
Listen, Leland would have fun with you. And I know that my mom and my dad will be looking down, finally knowing that they're remembered and loved.
With Mom's piano just the same as the day they met. Eventually, the Gonzmarts will send that piano to a new restaurant on Longboat Key called the Buccaneer. No opening date is set, but when it does open, Adela Gonzmart piano will be there just like new.
Wow, that is amazing.
Yeah.
It looks and sounds brand new, even before tuning.
And Richard Gonzmart said the Steinway people that worked on it were fourth-generation craftsmen. He says he's fourth generation at the Columbia, so they came to grips with one another's roots in putting the piano back together.
I love all the old pictures too.
Yeah, and that music just takes you back in time.
That was the actual recordings of them performing and singing from
What a
way
treasure.
back. Yeah,
cool stuff.
It really is. Cool piano. We're all thinking about our moms, though, today.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's for sure.